everyone, it's Jill from Kids Baking Club. How are you doing? I wanted to show you one of the quickest recipes that I make for my family, just using chicken breasts and some vegetables and some oil and some salt and pepper and maybe a little spice. And so easy. I call it blasted chicken. I call it blasted because with the high heat, it seals out the side of the skin and then keeps the moisture inside so you don't get dry chicken. Everyone hates dry chicken. I hate dry chicken. And this has been a recipe that I use all the time. Hey, if you want one of our baking kits, we teach kids and families how to bake, cook, decorate with our baking kits. They come with recipes, baking tools, baking lessons, and then video tutorials. Just go to kidsbakingclub.com and find out more. Now all you need is some chicken breast, or you can use thighs. You can also use any type of chicken as long as the skin is on it. With this recipe, the skin has to be on it because that's what bakes on the out of layer. Then you need some olive oil or some vegetable oil, some salt and pepper, and then some vegetable. I'm using onions today, and then I always add just a little bit of spice on top of the skin, which makes it even better. So you want to take a pan. If your chicken is a little wet on top, go ahead and dry the tops on it. And also it's really important that if your chicken is just all wrapped up, you want to make sure you wash it first and then dry it just to make sure that it's all clean and ready to go. So I just have a casserole dish here, a big pan, and I just layered it with some oil on the bottom. You're just going to take your chicken breasts and put them into the pan. Just layer them in there. And then take some olive oil or some vegetable oil and just pour over the top. You're gonna set your oven to 450 degrees. I know, hot, right? Hot oven. And then you can just take some salt and sprinkle that on top. And then what I do is I also take a different type of spice. You can add your favorite kind of spice, but you can just do salt and pepper too. And then you just want to kind of massage that on. And you can even kind of go under the skin and get in there. Then a way to roast vegetables at the same time is that you just take some vegetables. So I'm going to use some onions, which also gives it more flavor as it bakes. And this is going to go into the oven for 40 minutes. Now, if you're using thighs or chicken legs or even wings, then you obviously want the cook time to be lower. So just take a look at the oven after about 20 minutes if you're using thighs, legs, or wings, and just double check to make sure. You'll start to see it really crusting on the outside. All right. So this is going to go into the oven for 40 minutes, and then we're going to check it and see how delicious it is. Super simple, fun, and everyone loves it. And there's always leftovers to make chicken salad sandwiches the next day.